There's one thing businesses forget when implementing AI in their organization. It's not the technology, it's actually the people. If you don't manage the change in your business effectively, no matter how good the AI tool is, you won't get the results you're expecting. My name is Carl Ye and I'm the Chief AI Officer with 0to60.ai. My goal is to help you find the business benefits of AI through strategy, education, and implementation. So here's 7 steps your business should consider when implementing AI to have effective change management. So number 1, assess your current business landscape. What are your team's current understanding and skills in AI? Are they experienced, curious, or even hesitant? Finding this out can help you tailor your training and even support. Identify who's already using AI and what is the appetite for adoption. Who's excited, who's skeptical, and build your plan around this. And then how heavy is this lift? And where are the areas ready for adoption? Then you can tailor your rollout and education accordingly. Number 2 is leadership buy-in. It's really important your leadership's buy-in because any type of rollout or implementation probably will fizzle out if your leaders aren't involved. You have to align your AI with your business goals. You have to demonstrate how AI supports the company objectives, whether it's boosting revenue or improving efficiency, and show early return on investment. For example, show the results from your small pilot project on how many hours or dollars were saved. Number 3, start small, build big. Start with small pilots. Test AI in one department or team, like automating customer service responses or optimizing an internal workflow. And then take the learnings before you scale. Then turn your advocates into champions. Identify the employees who are excited about AI, train them, and then empower them to train others. These champions can create this organic buy-in. Number 4, involve employees early on. People resist what they don't understand, so involving them early and being transparent is critical. Hold some workshops to co-create some workflows or digital assistants with AI. Let the team experiment and then they can share their feedback. It creates a sense of ownership. Plan hackathons or science fairs. Celebrate those that are curious and recognize the innovative ideas that will help the business. And also highlight how AI will support and empower your employees. Instead of replacing jobs, frame AI as a way to automate repetitive work, giving employees more time for creative and strategic tasks. Number 5, continuous training and support. AI isn't one of those one and done projects or tools. You need ongoing support and an ongoing strategy. Provide continuous education. Offer regular training sessions, accessible resources, on-demand training like FAQs or tutorials. Have a dedicated AI resource, person, or team. Number 6, build feedback loops and celebrate successes. Set some clear key performance indicators for your AI pilots. Track metrics like time saved, cost reduction, or customer satisfaction, and share those results widely. Celebrate those wins, recognize some milestones or really cool ideas that people have implemented. And finally, number 7, I think one of the most important ones is sustaining AI adoption over time. I've seen so many companies that have adopted AI pilots or AI programs, and it's kind of decreased or fizzled out over months because there wasn't a strategy to keep people doing it. You have to address the tendency to revert back to old behaviors. Sure, the first month it's super exciting to try all these AI tools, which could potentially save time, but over time, just human behavior as it is, you may want to go back to some of your old habits, your old tendencies, because it's just easier doing so. So even though this new AI tool could potentially save you 10, 20, 30, 40%, just because you're not comfortable using it, you may just go back to what you are more comfortable using. So to prevent this, there's a couple things you can do. One is provide consistent reinforcement by integrating AI workflows in daily processes so they become second nature. And then use check-ins to identify if your employees need additional support or some education. Maintain engagement. You have to continuously show how AI is helping the business and its people. Share updates on how much time was saved or how it's improved outcomes. And remember to evolve your tools too. This is where your champions and your advocates come into play. Unlike any other technology in history, you have to ensure you can't just set it and forget it. There's a lot of tools that could be cannibalized or updated, and you have to be up to date on these new features and also make sure you upgrade or update your tools. So to recap, and these are immediate and actionable tips. Number 1, start with small, achievable AI pilots. Number 2, involve your team early and often. Number 3, build feedback loops and celebrate successes. And number 4, most importantly, keep your people at the center of your AI journey. Remember that AI isn't just a technological shift, it's a cultural one too. By focusing on thoughtful change management, not only will you have a successful AI implementation, but you'll have sustained adoption for long-term success.